Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Mela?
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm great
Did you sleep, Mela?
now.
Oh, no, you did not. I thought you did. Okay, because your voice seems like you're still sleepy. What did you do in the morning, Mela? What did you do in the morning?
Go to school.
Oh, okay, so you went to school. What about in the afternoon? Do you still have to go to school?
Mm,
Are you going to school in the afternoon?
yeah.
Oh, yes, I see. Did you eat your lunch already, Mela?
No.
Oh, not yet. Are you hungry now?
No.
Okay, well, that's good. If you're hungry, then you can eat while we're having our class. Mila, let me share my screen now. And yes, we will have the continuation. In here, you have to use your imagination to create your own answer to each question. Wait, let me translate it in Vietnamese. Use your imagination to create answer to each questions.
Hãy vận dụng trí tưởng tượng của bạn để tìm ra câu trả lời cho mỗi câu hỏi.
Okay, that is what you have to do here, Mela. Now we'll talk about this one. If you are a pet, Mela, imagine that you are a pet, okay? What pet would you be? What would you be?
Um, hmm, can you translate it?
Okay. If you were a pet, what would you be?
Nếu bạn là một con vật nuôi, bạn sẽ là con gì?
Um,
Do you want to be a dog? What pet do you want to be?
being a cat.
Oh, a cat. Do you like cats more than dogs, Mela?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why do you like cats? Why do you like cats?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Do you have a cat?
No.
Oh, no, you don't, but you just like them. Now, so if you were a cat, then where would you live? Where would you live?
As home.
Oh, at home in your house. Okay. What would you eat, Mela? Are you going to eat pho?
Um,
What would you
hmm,
eat? So, you want to be a cat and you want to live at home. So, what would you eat?
I think it's fish.
You'll eat fish?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cute. Now, what would you do to make your owner happy? If your owner is sad, Mela, let's say that your owner is your mom or your dad, then what will you do to make them happy if you're a cat? What will you do to make them happy? If you were a cat, what would you do to make your owner happy?
Nếu bạn là một con mèo, bạn sẽ làm gì để làm cho chủ nhân của mình hạnh phúc?
No.
You don't know? Can you think of something? Mela, just one thing. What do you think would make people happy? What will you do?
I don't know.
Okay, so you can probably you can roll around, Mila, or you can run towards them. You can hug them. Okay, you can cuddle them. That would definitely make them happy. You play with them. Okay, now, do you think you would be happy as a pet, Mila? If you were to become a cat, would you be happy? If you're a cat,
Mm,
would you be happy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you would be happy. Why would you be happy, Mela? Why would you happy?
It's cute.
What?
It's very cute.
Okay. Now, thank you so much for that, Mela. We'll now have rewriting sentences. Yes, we have writing exercise 5. In here, you have to place them in their correct order. Okay, you have to use full stops, which means period, capital letters, question marks, where it's necessary. Okay, let us start with the first one, Mela. In here, you have to write it, Mela. Don't tell me your answer. You have to write it. What is your answer for the first one? Please take your time to write, Mila. Are you writing your answer, Mila?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, mother wakes up. Wakes up me in the morning. Now, in here, Mela, it indeed starts with mother, but it should be capitalized, Mela. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the word. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the word in a sentence.
Đừng quên viết hoa chữ cái đầu tiên của từ trong câu.
Okay, and the correct answer here, Mila, it has to be. Wait, why is it so big? Wait, let me write it instead. It should be mother wakes, not wakes up me, Mila, wakes me up in the morning. Okay, but nice try, Mila. And then the period, of course. Now, what about for two? Two, okay? Mother and father. Okay, mother and father take me to the beach. Okay, yes, that's correct, Mila. Thank you so much. What about for three? Okay, Sue likes playing the piano. Very good, Mila. Four. You've got this, Mila.
No.
Okay, so what is the first word here? It's a question, right? So it has to be who. Can you continue, Mela? Who? Who wants? Who wants?
Take part into game.
Okay, so let me write that. Who wants to take part? Can you continue, Mela?
Take part in. Take part in
In.
the game.
Okay, yes, very good. In the game. Since it is a question, we will use question mark. Okay, here is the question mark. What about for five? Five. Do you know the answer here, Mila? Okay, I have many colorful stickers. You forgot the period, Mila, period. Okay, to end your sentence. There you have it. Now, moving on to the next one, Mila. Okay, so we have here a story about in the park. So, look at the picture so you will be guided what word you should fill in. Okay, can you read and tell me the missing word, Mila? In the park. Start now, Mela.
Oh, and Sue to, to a walk in the park. There were beautiful trees.
There were beautiful what? Look at the picture, Mela. What are those?
beautiful, beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish?
No. Beautiful flower.
Very good. Beautiful flowers. Continue, Mela.
A small bridge was over the boat. There's so many colorful fish in the water. An old man and his his boy were feeding the fish to 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 to
Oh, in here, Mela, it should not be boy, Mela, because we have here only one
an
person,
old
right?
man and his grandson were feeding the fish. Two dogs were playing nearby and ran behind them.
Okay. Okay, there you have it, Mela. See, you can even answer it without looking at the word bank. There you have it. Thank you so much for that. Now let us have this picture right here about David, what David did on school day. Okay, what David does on school day. So, can you tell me, Mila, what is he doing here? What's he doing here?
Um,
What is he doing? Look at these, Mila, so you will be guided.
um, David does his homework in the morning.
Okay, yes, very good, Mila. That is one. Next.
Then he goes to the neighborhood library to read some magazines. Um, he goes home for lunch and then walk to school.
Great job.
During recess, he buy a pencil and eraser and a notebook from the school shop.
Very
After
good. Five.
school, he go to the playground to with his friends. In the evening, he has dinner at the food court with his family.
Okay, well done, Mila. You're able to answer that one so quickly. Now, what I want you to do is to make your own story as to what David does on a school day. Okay, so can you tell me what is he doing here, Mila? What's he doing? Can you tell me? Take your time, Mila. What in the first picture, what is David doing?
Um,
In the morning. Yes, Mila.
in the morning, David does do the homework.
Okay, yes, very good. He does his homework. Okay, next picture. What is he doing here?
He go to library and read a magazine.
Okay, and read some magazines and books. Okay, very good. Third one.
He eats lunch and go to school.
Okay, and walks to school. Very good. Fourth one, Mela.
He buy a pencil, eraser, and notebook.
Okay, very good. And five.
He go to playground with friends.
Okay, and play with friends. Last one. What are they doing here? Do you know what they are doing?
Um, after school, he and with his friend, with family, eats dinner.
Okay, yes, very good. They go to the food court and eat dinner together. Very good, Mela. Now, moving on, let us have this one. Okay, so look at the picture and write 5 sentences about it, Mela. You may use the words in the box to help you. Okay. Do you know all these words, Mela? We have shops,
Uh,
queue, pilot, passengers, luggage, trolley, counter, and crowded. Let's
I
have the
don't know
easier
this.
ones first. What is a pilot, Mela? What is a pilot? What is pilot, Mela?
Uh, is
Do you know? What is the job of a pilot?
can you
Oh,
translate this?
okay. A pilot flies planes, Mela. A pilot flies planes, which suits our picture here. um, as this is all about the scenario at the airport. Now, we'll talk about this one on Monday, so you can relax now. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day, Mela. Goodbye, Mela. Stay safe.
Goodbye, teacher.